Hi lovies! Once again, I'm here with you to share another delightful recipe. And this recipe has been well requested by a number of you wonderful people out there. Today's shout out is going out to Vasanti Maharaj. She has been requesting this over and over. She wants to see my version of sweet rice. And for those of you who do not know what sweet rice is, as the name suggests, it is something sweet, and obviously it is made with rice. Some people may know it as kheer, and other parts of the world they will call it simply rice pudding. Now, sweet rice is something that is very popular during Diwali time or during any religious function in a Hindu home. But you do not have to wait until Diwali. You do not have to wait until a religious function. This is so delicious and satisfying. You can enjoy it any day, anytime with anyone. So without any delay, come with me. Let me show you my version of sweet rice. Now, these are the ingredients that I will be using. I will be using white rice. You can choose whatever type of rice you prefer. Here I have my rice already washed. I have some water here, coconut milk, regular whole milk, freshly grated ginger, vanilla extract. I have one ciliment leaf. This is not bay leaf. I brought this from Trinidad and dried it. So when I need to use it, I just pour it in some boiling water. Cinnamon sticks, nutmeg powder, cardamom powder, condensed milk, a little white sugar, raisins, and some cherries. So let's put this together with all that lovely flavor there. Add this rice in here now. Cinnamon sticks and my ciliment leaf. I'm going to allow this to boil for about 5 minutes and then come back to check it. Let's check this now. Okay. And as you can see, the rice started cooking, but we do not want this rice to get soft with just that water. So I'm going to add my coconut milk here now. My regular milk. I'm going to keep this uncovered. We're going to keep turning this because we do not want it to burn at the bottom. And as you can see, the amount of rice is increasing here. And at this point, I will start adding the additional flavors. In goes the ginger, vanilla extract, some condensed milk, nutmeg, and the cardamom powder here. Add my raisins. I'll add my cherries last because I do not want this rice to turn red. My kitchen smells so nice right now. And guys, you keep turning this at intervals because you do not want it to burn to the bottom. And I did add some additional milk because I did not expect this rice to increase so much. I like my sweet rice really nice and milky. It's your preference, and it is also a personal preference how you like your sweet rice, whether you like it really dry or you like it nice and runny. But remember, when it's nice and runny like this and it cools down, it will get a little bit dry. So keep that in mind. I'm now going to add my cherries. And I'm going to leave this here until I see it starts giving me a little bubble. Then I'll turn it off. And as you can see, it starts bubbling there now. I'm going to give this a little turn and take it off from the stove. Leave me a comment at the bottom, guys. How do you like your sweet rice? Do you like it hot or do you like it cold? And this is what the final product looks like, guys. Remember, I did tell you when it cools down, it will thicken up, or rich and creamy. So if you like this recipe, please give me that nice big thumbs up. Leave me a comment at the bottom. Remember to like, share. If you have not subscribed as yet, I do hope that you will consider subscribing, and look forward to your love and support. There you have it. Sweet rice, kheer, or rice pudding, any which way you prefer to call it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.